Hello guys, we have simple angle grinder that once we start has this like metal rubbing sound that's really unpleasant and also doesn't do anything. So the disc itself, once it's attached, it just doesn't spin, doesn't have an energy. So let's inspect what's the problem. I probably know where, as the engine rotor goes, it ends with gears, and those gears probably are gone, and that's why you can't spin this bit. So first off, remove the guard. Then there is 8 screws, EZ2 type bob head, which is used on the most screws. I already pre-loosened all 8 of them, so that's why I'm using the drill, just to speed up the process. Okay, so all necessary screws are removed, have been removed. So taking the swing off. As you can clearly see, the gears are chipped off completely in the middle. They should be even going that way. So all we had to do is remove that gear, identify online the replacement parts, preferably from higher grade metal, and order it to replace. So instead of buying new angle grinder, you just spend like, I don't know, 50 cents, 70 cents, maybe a bit less or just a little bit more, depends where you are, and you can have properly functioning thing. So how do you unscrew that? I'll say very easily. Take electric wrench or any of other tools like these. You take something to hold on, like this tool. I don't know why I keep forgetting the name of it. And then just unscrew